Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am happy to have you guys here today. I have a super fun video. I like to wear red lipstick sometimes, but I feel like you have to wear it right, at least for me, because it's such a bright, bold color, but it's like you want to wear it, but then when you do your eyes, it's like, oh, too much makeup, and you end up taking off red lipstick. So I'm going to go ahead and do a video here showing you how I like to wear red lipstick with a very natural rest of my face. And so let's go ahead and get started. I do have my brows filled in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is the shade medium brown. And I think we'll go ahead and start with my face first instead of doing the eyes, since we're going to keep it really simple on the eyes today. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to start with the No Problem Primer. Okay, next I'm going to take the Urban Decay here primer. This is the Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. And I'm just going to take a little bit and then warm it up in between my fingers and then place it where I feel like my pores are kind of enlarged. So mainly in the T area and also on the forehead a little bit. Okay, so for foundation, I'm actually going to take two foundations. I'm going to be mixing the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation and then the L'Oreal Infallible Glow Pro Foundation. For concealer, I'm going to go ahead and take the Maybelline Age Rewinding Concealer here and just conceal under the eyes, and I'll use it also to highlight my chin and also prime my lids for eyeshadow. Super exciting videos coming up. At least I hope that they're going to be exciting. One of them I actually just placed an order for today. I am so very excited. I don't want to give it away because I want it to be somewhat of a surprise, but it has to do with a TV show that just came out, and I think that you guys will hopefully really enjoy it. I'm very excited. I'll probably end up pushing my film schedule around to go ahead and shoot that one earlier because I don't want to wait, and so yeah, I'm very excited about it. Also, another video idea I have is I'm going to be on a movie set here in a few weeks and doing makeup for that. My husband works on movies, and so I'm going to go ahead and be doing makeup for that, or helping out with that at least. And so I hope to be able to take you guys along and film that process and me in the works, and so I'm very excited about that. I love being on a movie set. It's so much fun. I will make sure that I have the link to the trailer of the movie that we're working on. It's called Trail of Justice, down in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out at the end of this video. And then you guys can see what we've been working on the last 2 years. It's so very exciting. I'm just taking the Marc Jacobs. This is the Illuminating Drops in the shade Fantasy, or Dewdrops, excuse me. And I'm just taking my beauty blender, and I'm just going to take this on the high points of my face. But yeah, so excited to work on the movie project. And then also I'm hoping to have a wedding vlog out for you guys. Hopefully I can be able to film that for you guys. Okay, next I'm just going to take the Coty Airspun Face Loose Powder. And I'm actually just going to take my Real Technique sponge and go underneath the eyes with it. Not baking, but just lightly setting. Just taking a fluffy brush, nothing on it, just kind of blending everything, or the powder, into my skin. Okay, so next I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer here. Look at me. I have seriously dug into this one. I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up the face. I'm also going to stipple it kind of across my nose for that sun-kissed glow look. Next I'm going to take blush, and I'm going to dip into Bang Beauty blush, and this is what it looks like, and this is the shade Cheeky. I know this one is kind of repetitive, but I'm going to go ahead and use the Stevie Laurent Jelly highlighter in the shade Presco Please. It's just the one that is sitting here in front of me. I forgot to take one out. Okay, so I just took off the foundation off my lips, and I'm actually going to do something a little out of order than I normally would do. I'm going to go ahead and do the lips now. That way when I'm working on my eyes, I can actually tell when I feel like I have put too much on or I need to dial it back a little bit, because I am wearing such a bold lip color, and I just find that it works the best that way. So I'm going to go ahead and use, this is Snow White red lipstick from ColourPop here. It has such pretty packaging. I love it so much. I actually have had this for a couple weeks now. I haven't really had a chance to wear it, but I've kept it in the package because it's so cute. And so this is what it looks like here. It's a really pretty tube, very fancy looking, and it actually has all the signatures of the princesses from Disney on this. And here is this shade here. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this. This is such a pretty lip color. Go ahead and work on the eyes. I kind of made a mess of the lipstick and got it all over my hands. I'm trying to clean it all off so I don't touch anything white. The palette that I'm going to be using today, this is the Goddess palette from Alter Ego, and this is like the dupe for the Natasha Denona Gold palette. I'm going to go ahead and play with some of the colors in here. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, and I think that I want to go into this one here, and I'm just going to put this in my crease for some dimension, and we're just going to be slowly building up that color. That way, if you're uncomfortable wearing red lipstick with bold eye colors, we can kind of just judge if we want to add more or not. I'm also going to take it on the lower lash line as well. Okay, so from here you can judge like for yourself on whether you want to build up the look, maybe put on a black liner or throw some glitter on. But I'm going to go ahead and just continue, and I'm going to use this color right here called Athena. And with the same brush, I'm just going to take it in a crease and kind of just stay in the crease area instead of taking it above. This is one of my favorite shades in the entire palette. And it's so simple, but I love it so much. Also taking that shade on the lower lash line as well. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop there for the eyeshadow, but I'm going to go ahead and take that same highlighter and a pencil brush and go ahead and highlight the inner corner of my eye here. And also take it on the brow bone as well. And if you hear a slight different noise than usual, there is a fan going in here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set my face. This is the Yvonne Facial Mist. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this. And I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty sponge and kind of gently press down my peach fuzz I may have on my face. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. And I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And I'm just going to put about 2 to 3 coats of this on. Alright guys, here's the completed look. I did set my brows with the Morphe Brow Gel, but this is the completed look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you find this helpful at all? I really do love red lipstick. Sometimes for me it's just really hard to wear because it is a bold color. But I found that this method works a lot better for me, at least, if I go ahead and put the lip color on first and then go ahead and do the eyes if I'm a little unsure. But comment down below on which video you are most excited to see here in the future out of the 3 that I talked about, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see these upcoming videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to alert you when they do come live. And I will see you guys